Hello everybody, this is Steve Bennett from Dolphin, and today we'll be looking at how we can make an ePub using EasyConverter Express from Microsoft Word, and then sending that to somebody who can then read it in their EasyReader apps, either the Android or the Apple version. So I've got a 2-page Word document here. It's got 3 headings in it, and it's also got this image. I'll just right click on the image and it pops up this little menu, and I can see Edit Alt Text, which I'll select, and this little side menu pops in, and you can see I put some sort of description already in here, so that will come through in the ePub and will be read by the EasyReader apps as well. So you can give some description perhaps to an image, a graph, a formula, whatever you prefer to do. So I've already downloaded EasyConverter Express, and I've downloaded the plugin for Word's toolbar, which is available here, so let's just select that. MP3, braille, large print are my options, and of course at the top I've got ePub 3, which we're looking at today. So I'll just select that, and it comes in and asks me the option to save it to a different location, but I'm just going to click on Start. And now it's converting it to ePub 3. It takes quite a short amount of time, and now it's popped up to say it's completed. And I'm just going to open this to show the location. And here it is. It's converted this into a ePub. I'll just right click on it and copy, and now I could be sending that to perhaps a Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, or any network storage. But in this particular day, what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it as well into my email, into a test account, and I'm just going to send that out there. So just to give it time for that to get there, I'm just going to have a look in File Explorer at other ways to make ePubs using EasyConverter Express. So here I've got some Word options. If I right click on them here, I can see there's the option there to convert ePub, MP3 or Braille or large print. And of course, if I was on the desktop and I right clicked on an icon perhaps for a Word document, then I'd be able to do that there as well. So just bear with me a second. I'm just going to change the camera and it will refocus just a second. So on the right hand side, I've got an iPad, and on the left here, I've got an Android tablet. So I can see that the email has come through. So I'm just going to tap on there. Okay, and I can see here is my ePub. It's available inside my email. So I'll just select open. So this would be the same if you were downloading it from a cloud storage as well. So EasyReader isn't appearing here. So I'm going to select more. And I can see it's down the bottom, so I'll just select on copy, and then it's imported it. So here's my my Word document, which is now an ePub. So if I just bring the text up to here and then select on play.
Worcestershire sauce. Image starts. Picture of a small bottle of Worcestershire sauce from Leon.
And we can see it's there, and I can bring it down to any location. I can change the size of the text, I can change the colors, I can change the margin, I can change the spacing as well. So all of those options are available there. So let's just have a look in our Android tablet. It's slightly different there. So I'm in the My Books menu of EasyReader, and I've got this icon in the top right-hand corner, which I can now select. So I'm going to choose a file. So here I can see that I can actually download it from my OneDrive or different drives that I've got available here. I'll just go back. That's not the option I'm going to use. And then I'll select, I have already downloaded it from the email. So I'm just going to select on there, and there it is available. So it's going to import it into my books list, and now I can tap on it. And then it will open up that particular document, which is available here, which will be exactly the same. So I think the real benefit of this is you make the document once and everybody can use it in the player that best suits their print impairment. So size, colors, line spacing, letter spacing, whatever they prefer, it's available for them to use. I hope that helps, and there'll be more videos coming along later, I'm sure. All right, take care.